Hi everyone, this is Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and I just have a quick video to show what different textures can do to pieces. I used my Xyron sticker maker ahead of time, permanent. That way I can make this as quick as possible for you guys. So this is the July 4th title from Treasure Box Designs, and I used regular cardstock for this along with stickles. I just placed the stickles over the top of it. This blue color is Arctic by Basil, and then the red is Crimson by American Crafts. All I'm doing is laying these on. The yellow will be Tulip by Coordinations. And then for the white, not this white, I used regular white by American Crafts for this one. But on this white, I used the white glitter cardstock. And that one's by American Crafts as well. And I just tried to place a bunch of different textures so they weren't all the same. And then for this other one here, I used the glitter silk cardstock pack, and this is the gold holographic sparkles. And then this one is just gonna be Land That I Love by Doodlebug. But making subtle changes can make all the difference for your pieces. And me, I like to make things different. I'm all about textures and different colors, things like that. I will make the same pieces over, but just swap out color bases. I wasn't sure about using such a dark blue in the back, but I ended up leaving it as is, just because once it was all pieced together, I liked how it turned out. And I love my sticker maker. Normally I would be using my Barely Arts glue, but for time saving, I just went ahead and used the sticker maker to stick it down. So this is the one with stickles on top of the regular cardstock, and I just let it dry. I got them from Amazon. You can just Google stickles and it'll pull up a pack for you. They have tons of different colors. I have tons of them sitting here. I use them more so than not. This is the glitter silk cardstock with the holographic sparkle gold. And then this is just my paper pack from Doodlebug Designs. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. Have a good day.